Managing your money to make savvy investments is key in creating wealth. There are several tools and techniques an investor can use to adequately plan, schedule, and gauge their assets in order to not only track their ROIs and personal wealth, but also line up their funds for investing into income-producing assets. Going into 2020, all of these tools can be used in the form of phone apps that every person can install on their phone and use on a daily basis wherever they are. In this video, I'll discuss the top 5 investing apps for 2020 that will help the savvy investor with not only managing their money, but also in investing into growth and income-producing assets using various types of investment accounts for wealth creation. Get ready. You are now entering the Academy. The first app is not necessarily an investment app, but it's more of a money management and investment tracking app called Mint. Mint allows an investor to use portfolio tracking for investments, help catch any hidden investment fees that may be charged to your investment accounts, and suggest how to reduce or eliminate these fees, combine your portfolio and all of your finances together to better track your entire financial portfolio and net worth all in one place, track your credit score on a monthly basis, among other features. It's a great tool to have to manage all your finances, track your investments, and you can even set budgets to track all your expenses on a monthly basis, and you can also set up goals. I highly recommend this tool for the savvy investor. The next app is a stock trading and investment app called Robinhood. You may have heard of Robinhood, the first commission-free stock trading app ever released, which allows its users to buy and sell stocks or funds commission-free. Commissions can eat up on your expenses, especially if you're buying stocks on a weekly basis. These commissions end up eating at your profits and overall net profit. Robinhood is a great app to use because it not only doesn't charge a fee to buy and sell stocks, but it also makes trading super easy with its easy to use graphical user interface. Makes transferring funds to and from your account easy, and with its new features that are being introduced, such as fractional shares, dividend reinvestment, and auto investing of funds into your portfolio, Robinhood is the go-to app for investing on the stock market from your mobile device. If you'd like to learn more about these new features from Robinhood, such as fractional shares and dividend reinvestment, check out my video titled How to Invest with Robinhood with Only $1, Investing in Fractional Shares. And if you sign up for Robinhood now, you can get one free stock worth up to $1,000 or more. So make sure to take advantage of this offer soon. The next app is another stock trading and investment app called M1 Finance. You may have heard of M1 Finance, which is another commission-free stock trading app and one of the first that offered fractional shares. M1 Finance is unique in that it introduces portfolios to investment apps, where investors can allocate different portfolios in their accounts, and funds allocated to these portfolios get distributed based on which stocks are underweight. Portfolios or pies can be created for different types of asset classes or types for diversification, which is a great feature introduced by M1 Finance. M1 Finance also has a rebalancing feature, which rebalances one's portfolio based on the percentage allocation of each equity within the portfolio. Not only that, but M1 Finance also allows for investing in traditional and Roth IRAs. So it's definitely a go-to stock trading app for investing in IRAs and for those who will not be trading actively, but instead allocated funds on a monthly or weekly basis and auto investing into a fixed portfolio. M1 Finance currently has a promotion where you can receive $10 to invest in any stocks if you sign up now. So take advantage of this and start building your portfolio for wealth creation. The next app is yet another stock trading and investment app called Webull. Webull also offers commission-free stock trading and is a bit more advanced than Robinhood and M1 Finance. It's more for the active trader who buys and sells stocks on a daily basis. It contains metric and analysis tools, allowing investors to track stocks based on certain metrics. The buys and sells are also a bit more advanced. Webull also allows for investing into retirement accounts, which is also a great advantage to using the app. Webull has probably one of the best promotions out there, where if you sign up now and invest only $100, you get 2 free stocks possibly valued up to $1,000. This promotion is ending soon, so be sure to sign up now and take advantage of it. The final app is an all-in-one save, plan, and invest app called Wealthfront. First off, Wealthfront offers a savings account with one of the highest interest rates, currently at 1.8%. So investors can store their funds in a high interest account and get cash back while they await to invest their money in higher ROI assets. Wealthfront also offers passive investing, where their proprietary software executes time-tested investment strategies, automatically looking for opportunities to improve your performance of the portfolio. They also offer features similar to Mint, where after linking your financial accounts, they'll give you insights into how early you can retire or when you can buy a home, as well as budget setting and setting of short-term and long-term goals. Wealthfront is a great place to keep your emergency fund and earn a high interest yield to add to your passive income stream. Using the apps mentioned in this video is a great way to build the foundation necessary to manage your money and also invest into income-producing portfolios via brokerage and retirement accounts. Building a nest egg is crucial in creating wealth, and time is of the essence. So be sure to start using these tools to start building your foundation for passive income and wealth creation over time. Check the links in the description to get started on using the tools mentioned in this video to start your path toward financial independence. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash the like button. It will really help this channel grow and also allow the YouTube algorithm to bring you more wealth creation and passive income videos. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to the 10X Academy. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be alerted on more passive income strategy videos. This is the 10X Academy.